What are you doing? Dabbing.
Let's get this bad boy open.
Welcome back to another very relaxed Richie Burns unboxing. Ah! Get off!
Can I open it?
So, if you've watched a previous unboxing, you will have noticed him. You're right. My shoes. And this is a new puppy as well. What's her name? Do you like her?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's alright. What are we going to open today then?
It's a bug.
A what?
A bug.
So what is it exactly? Do you know?
No.
So William has kindly decided to help me with this unboxing, and he said he was going to do all the research on it. Didn't really do any, did you?
Can I open it?
No, you have to tell him what it is first.
It's a nano bug.
So what does it do?
It's like this.
Well, that's all very well, William, but they can't see that. Can you explain what it does? It crawls along the ground and does weird movements and acts like a bug, basically, doesn't it?
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it. Try and rip it. So it's easy to open. The instructions fell out. We're not going to bother with them.
Nope, I told you this.
Okay, so what is it? It's a bug. William's opening it.
We'd like to see what it does.
No. That's it for Richie Burns unboxing, and we'll see you next week. Well, he's put it on the ground. So it moves around like a little bug. This one doesn't climb. But grab it, let it go. So this is the nano bug. I think you can get them to battle each other. Maybe that's just going into each other. You battle them, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you turn it on like this. It makes it vibrate. And then I think it just, when it hits something, it reverses. And the dog loves it.
It doesn't like water.
Is it not waterproof? So it's not waterproof. Hold.
Let's go on the table. So this is the nano bug, and it's super cool. And then what it does?
What does it do? Have you lost it already? You forgot to say something before you unlocked it.
Welcome to this awesome show. And let's get this bad boy open.
What is it? So it's a c920 920 Logitech HD Pro webcam. Hold on, William. Can you read what it says on the back?
No.
Okay, can connect it whatever your network, full HD 1080p recordings, stereo with audio dual microphones built in, and focuses on the details that matter. So the full HD 5-element glass lens with premium autofocus, captures razor sharp images and constant high definition. Does that sound good?
Yep. Can I unbox something?
Yeah. No, I'll do it. I'll do it. There you go. Right. So we've got William cracking into the box.
Let's get this bad boy open. Looks like cool. And we'll get this out. Okay. So not in there. What can I have the boxes?
You want to keep the boxes?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to cut them.
Okay, so this is it. And it's already dirty. Why is it dirty, William?
I bet I'm not fingerprints.
So, top tip for when opening things. Don't have dirty fingers. Very shiny. 2 microphones. It's got a little thing there. Putting on a shoe, any shoe.
What can I whip it now?
So it works with Windows 10, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And Windows 8?
Yeah.
And Windows 7?
No. Yeah.
And also with Mac. Very good.
And cars.
It works with cars.
Yeah, not cars. No. This better wait.
Who does?
You.
So this microphone isn't being used at the moment. We're using the built-in microphone for the webcam. It doesn't really say that it's good with Mac, but it is sort of a secondary thing. It says. This is currently plugged into a MacBook. It worked straight away. I plugged it into the USB, didn't I? It worked really well.
It worked really well.
And now I've just got QuickTime Player recording, and the sound is going through the webcam at the same time, isn't it?
Yep.
So William is in full HD. I'm HD as well.
Hello.
Poppy, she loves it as well. It's got like a cool thing underneath, so you can change the angles of it to clip onto lots of different things.
Yeah.
So at the moment it's just holding onto the back of my laptop, and it's just easy to take off and move it around.
Hello.
You choking the dog? Don't choke the dog.
I'm not actually saying hello.
She's not impressed with you.
Hello.
I think she wants you to stop now.
Again.
Oh, it works pretty well.
I know it does.
It's got camera.
Hello.
It's got 2 microphones.
Hello. I love you.
So tech specs, William. What is the maximum quality that it can do?
It goes on. I don't know.
Goes on cars apparently. 1080p, isn't it? Not as good as 4K though, is it?
Yeah.
Unfortunately not 4K.
So, do you like our new dog?
Yeah. She's pretty good, isn't she? We should unbox her. Should we unbox her in another video? We might do that. So this was £25 on Amazon. We got it in a Prime Day sale. Usually it's about £100 here, isn't it? That's quite expensive. Especially for a camera that's just 1080p.
Bye. You put your hand up.
Bye. Oh, look at that. Doesn't even go dark.
I know.
Flipping pause.
Put it back up. Well.
And that's how fast it is to zoom in. 5 seconds. We've got Poppy here.
Say hello.
Say hello, Poppy.
Hello.
She's having that. You're not allowed that. That's hers.
This was it.
Okay.
What's this?
Right, William's getting in the crate. He thinks it's is that necessary for unboxing?
No, it's super cool. This thing. This thing. Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe, guys. I love you. And Star Wars video is next week.
What? Thanks for watching, guys.
But thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.